Hello बच्चों, let's explore our next chapter, chapter number 10, Subtraction Safari, and continue our journey. Okay, so today we are going to learn about vertical subtraction. Do you know what is vertical subtraction? Okay, let me tell you. When we represent the numbers in the vertical form, we call it as vertical subtraction. Okay, so let's start with subtraction of one digit number from two digit numbers. Okay, correct. So here we have to subtract 15 minus 4, right? How we are going to do it? Correct. Here we have two blocks. One is representing ones and the other one is representing tens, right? Yes. And we use standing bars to show a two-digit number as we did in addition. Okay. So how many tens we have? One. So we have drawn one bar here. How many ones we have in 15? Five. So we have drawn five bars here, right? Now, how many numbers we have to subtract? That is 4, right? What we are going to do? We are going to subtract 4 bars here at the ones place, right? Because it is written at the ones place. Let's cut it as 1, 2, 3 and 4, correct? Yes. So, how many we are left with? We are left with 1 at ones place right now. So, we have written at ones place as 1. Correct? Well done. Now let's count the remaining bars in the tens place. Did we subtracted anything here? No, right? So we will write 1 as it is here, considering at once 1 minus 0, that is equals to 1. Okay? Yes. So we have the number here as 11. On subtracting 15 minus 4, we have 11, right? Yes. Now, let's learn to subtract two-digit numbers from two-digit numbers. Okay. So, here we have 16 minus 13, right? So, what we are going to do? Correct. We are going to follow the same pattern. What we are going to write? We are going to draw the number of bars in the tens and ones place for the first number, that is 16. 1 here in the tens place and 6 ones. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 standing bars. Right. Now, first we subtract the numbers in the ones place, that is 3, right? So to subtract here, what we have done, we have strike out the bars, that is 3 bars, right? Correct. So how many bars we are left with at ones place? Correct. 3 bars. So we have written 3 here. 6 minus 3 is equals to 3, correct? Yes. We are going to subtract the numbers in the tens place. Okay. So how many numbers do we have? That is 1. And how many do we need to subtract? 1. So how many we get? Correct. 0. So we can say 1 minus 1 is equals to 0. We have written it as 0 here. So we can say 16 minus 13 is equals to 3, right? Because we have in total 3 bars here at the ones place and nothing in the tens place, right? Yes. Well done. Now, let me see if you can find the difference between 27 minus 6. Okay. So, what we are going to do at first? Correct. We are going to draw the standing bars for the given number. That is 27. Okay. So, let's see how many bars we have to draw in the ones place. That is 7. Do we have 7 here? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Correct. We have the 7 bars in the ones place. Now, let's check the tens place. How many numbers do we have? 2. Do we have 2 standing bars here? Yes, that is 1 and 2. Correct? Yes. Now, let's look at the second number. What it is? It is 6. How many bars do we need to subtract from 7? In the ones place, 6 bars. So let's put the 6 bars in the ones place. Okay, so let's count them as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Correct? So we have strike these 6 standing bars using the 6 slanting lines. Okay, so how many we are left with? We are left with 1 in the ones place. So what we are going to write here? That is 1, right? Yes. Now, do we have any number in the tens place? No, right? So what we have to consider here? We have to consider it as 0, right? Yes. So 2 minus 0 gives us 2, right? So we can say 27 minus 6 is equals to 21. So the difference between 27 and 6 is 21, right? Yes. Well done, students. Now we are going to meet in our next session. Till then, have fun while you learn.